Hi, I'm Adrienne.
And I'm Attilio. Today we want to talk to you about 5 home selling myths. The first one is for sale by owners or, doing it yourself. So let's talk about that.
All right, so first of all, there's a lot more to getting your home sold besides putting a for sale sign in your front yard and placing it on like maybe Craigslist. There's just so many more steps.
Well, one of the big mistakes that for sale by owners do is they overprice the home because they're too emotionally close to that. When you hire a professional, we're going to put all the emotions aside and really give you some advice on what it needs what it's going to take to get your homes sold. 80-90% of all homes that are sold by realtors, and if they're a good realtor, they're going to earn their fees. And so in the end, it's not about saving money on commissions, but about netting the most amount of money.
And then also let's talk about the random people that might be coming through your house. We're going to be screening them and making sure that they are pre-approved.
Yes. And we talked about it just a second ago, but seller knows the home value. That's another big mistake. A lot of times the sellers think, you know what, I'm just going to price it for the amount that I want to sell it for to make the money that I want.
Yes.
But let me ask you something. When you were buying a home, you're like, oh, I wonder what the seller needs to net from the sale.
Doesn't matter.
They don't care. Okay.
No.
So typically, overpricing the home is another big mistake. Number 3,
selling your home as is.
That's another big mistake, especially today as the market is beginning to shift. Your home needs to be in perfect condition or as close to perfect or model home condition to not only just get you more money, but to get it sold and or getting people wanting to write offers on it. Okay, number 4.
The major remodel that's needed.
Yeah, that's a myth.
You don't need to go in and do some major overhaul.
No, the three things that we tell you to do is declutter, depersonalize, and you have a really good cleaning.
Yes.
For decluttering, general rule of thumb, remove 1/3 of all the items in the home. Okay, and the last one?
That the best time to sell is during the spring.
That's, especially not true here in Hawaii because our weather is good all year long. So when you need to sell is when you need to sell.
And as long as you present it properly, you price it properly, and you have a team of professionals marketing it properly.
Okay. All righty.
Thanks and aloha.
Let's go.
This is the Team Lally Real Estate Show. Hopefully guaranteed.